Hello, beautiful family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to your time. I'm here again, Mama Virtuous TV. So I want to still analyze some matters of this our sister where bring music on social media where all of us they sing now. Our sister, so Shine Francis Odigwe. I want to talk about our husband. Yeah, our husband. That surface on internet or recent. So I want to talk about her husband and also the husband as baby mama. Yeah, I want to also talk about that one too. So now that one kukuma I get this talk. So before I go straight to my point, my people, if now they watch me and never subscribe, Muna go subscribe. I beg Muna subscribe for me. Una subscribe me, I not cry yo. Una subscribe, oh. Subscribe for mama, eh? Una subscribe. The hand when I take click this video, watch. I'm gonna kuku just subscribe. Muna join the wonderful family. Should in case anytime I upload, you go come direct to your screen, eh? Subscribe for mama. I'll turn on your notification bell. Should in case anytime I upload any content, you will be the first person who is listening. Wanna subscribe, eh? Subscribe and join the movie jet. Okay, my people, let's go there. So now this Child Francis Odigwe matter where it come full everywhere. You know, say when she come out, when she come dey talk, say he need a baby papa attention to her baby. So before you know now her husband kukuma still jump come out for UK where e dey. Come see say he support her wife 100%. Say he support her wife. Make the man come and come take care. Make he just know the baby. Even they not take care of her, make he know the baby. Say he go dey carry the whole expensive way they the pikin body. So now when he come out now, because me no believe say that man go still come out, because me be don't even fear for Child Francis. Say this lady don already married now, because I watched her wedding on YouTube as well 3 years ago. I said maybe now this man will come the verse. I don't even know say na the man he with am. They say best of the same feather flew together. So now the man come join am, come the single for social media. When the man know say he own dey in body, like then na he a baby mama come jump come out for the same London there. Come the talking as he take carry the man come, everything he come the talk am. So before I go continue wetin I dey talk, make I play small voice for una wey this woman take dey talk for Eddie Murphy platform. Make I play small for una, make una know wetin I wan talk about small. Na small, no be say too much. So make una lis ten. I know say many of una don see am, but at least as me wan analyze my own, una go know why I come here today. Make I play the voice. Make una lis ten small. Sorry guys. Oh, don't stop my video. Make I pause am there. So some of una, my followers, we know they understand Benin. Make I translate that place for una. He say na when dem dey small pikin, na with solo nobody for Nigeria, for Bongo, na dem for know where dem dey small pikin. So before he come leave solo, come obodo oyibo, and he say he no need solo again for her life. He no need solo again. But na because say solo come out, come dey brag say he go take care of her wife, which is her present wife, Shine Francis Odige, him go take care of her baby. Say na him make her come out because charity begins at home. You never take care of the one when he born for you finish. You dey brag say you take care of another person, or make the man wey get the pikin come out. So make I continue. Okay. He said before he come up for Bongo, he will not come too much day like that. So he will not come too much day like that. So now the person when they platform they ask and say whether I this go around, I be the first person we eat an apple. He come they ask her that one. She say yes. Okay. Okay, make I see person there. He said when he come reach Obodo Ibo now, he don't already be follow Oyibo when he born for. He don't already born for Oyibo for IT. So he said the Oyibo now, later now, he will the Oyibo not come dey a good things like that. So now then now he one boy come tell am say this is his guy. He dey find am which is Solo, Shine Francis Odige present husband. Say they find am he say na so. Now they come to reconcile again. He come they send am this thing, greeting card, everything for Bogo. Okay. Okay. Una hear am? Una will not dey hear English because this my platform not be only Benin people they watch am. He say when he come call him papa say he want carry this Solo come Obodo Ibo, which is Francis present husband. He want carry am come Obodo Ibo. He say na papa look the guy, his name na Solo. Na papa say this kind person, he not sure say go make a good husband for you. Road not dey there my pikin. Make you no do. He no hear. He still passing papa can't do. So make we dey listen. Okay. Now see am. He say after we come pressurize am now later now, he come from Bogo, carry am come Italy. When he come from Nigeria, carry am come Italy now. Make dem come dey as husband and a wife. He say after 1 month, just 30 days, this Solo man of 18, this Shine Francis Odige present husband, he say he can't go chop another person ample. He can't go jogodo with another person, another woman for Italy there. So he say when he can't cash her now, gbege come dey, they come dey fight. When they come dey rack now, na there early momo na your gbas come. because maybe the area now people wey dey the area now they don already call ogbas. So early momo now ogbas come they come burst their house. As ogbas burst the house now, they come bundle this boy, go back to Bongo. Maybe probably never be quick and get doku for IT that time wey take come because na just 1 month according to her. Okay, he say na they come deport the boy come back go Bongo. So una go see why I wan analyze this thing. Now make me dey play this word for una, make I dey translate too. I know say the Benin people dem go understand, but una wey no be Benin, una no go understand how dey translate for una. So make una see, make e reach where I wan talk, make una see wetin make me dey analyze am. Okay. He said that after they don deport and go Bongo now, she no still rest for that for there. Oh, he come see the pressurizer. I say himself come see find another ego. He come see carry am come the second time. That time he come put am for Paris. So he say when he reach Paris now, before he come, he don already relocate to UK. So when he come to Paris now, there now she come work harder, find money. They come cross and come meet her for England there before they come begin dey make baby as papa and mama. Na him e dey talk so make we continue. He say when he come finally reach London now, 4 good years, okra no grow. 4 good years, okra no gree grow. He say but after 4 years, na there okra come grow. This boy can't even say no be get the okra because in with 2 days since 4 years, nothing grow. Now we can't grow no be. He say but later he can't call the papa for home. They can say if you know say your soil, you know the drop water, make you ride down, which is na by make. If you do where we get we giame a problem iro ya be money. If you know say your soil, you know the leak water, not be your soil leak water down, so make you take care of yourself, born that baby successfully. So waiting converse me now because say na 2 times now he carry the man come. Now we want reach so make I for talk to this lady. Okay. Now hear he say he said the man no sabi talk for mouth. He say no sabi speak good English. He say na illiterate. Na she dey talk am so this woman no. Una see am. Una see the way some more false women dey do. You see am. Probably the time when we youth they do honey sweetie. You no know say na illiterate o. This man no. You no know say the man not go school, say no sabi speak English o. You see am. Upon all, this man he no sabi speak English. You carry am first time, they turn am back. You see strong go again. He no sabi speak English o. He be illiterate o. You come still carry am come second time. So tey you carry am come UK. Who come be fool? No be you wey dey rant for social media. No be fool. No be fool. You see am? You wey say this man he no know how to speak good English. You say na small pikin now know. You know say he no know how to speak English. You chop, you no rest for there. You still come Oyibo land, you marry Italian, you born for Italo man, you still live Italo man. You can't leave Italy there, you no come see the one way go school, you no come see the one way sabi speak English for inside. You still go Nigeria, go carry this same guy come. Upon all, you know say no sabi speak English, he no go school, na he need treat. You see am? After you still carry am come, after 1 month, you say still go jogodo your friend. Una come fight, they come carry am go bongo. You were so foolish enough, this woman wey dey talk now. This woman, think be other than Vivian, they say they call you. You were so foolish enough. Man wey you carry come first time. Under 30 days, he don't do the thing for your eye. You no rest for there. You no rest for there. As they carry am go bongo, make you kuku leave and make it go. Make you go find the one where you go school sabi speak English. You still carry am come back the second time. Now you come dey rant now for social media now say he judge, he sabi speak English, he need straight. Now you wey come dey cause am idiot, now you come be the big idiot. Now you come be the big idiot wey come dey rant for social media. Now you come be big idiot because you know say this guy no go school, he no sabi speak English. Wetin make you go marry am? Wetin make you go carry am first and second time? Okay, now the ojogonoko, now dey good for your body. So you say you know dey jealous. Maybe na the ojogonoko wey carry comot now go give Child Francis, na make body dey pepper you now. When you dey rant, for social media. You no go school, you no sabi speak English. Before you go carry am come for bongo, you no know say you no go school. You no know say you no sabi speak English. So now you no get character. Yes. Now you no get character because we take out the make parable say if a woman say that this one I be the third husband when I dey marry, you know say that the woman I no get character. You see there for say if this one say that the third wife be this when I dey marry, you know say that the man too na no get character. As far as say the third wife, none of them dey with the man for us. Now when all of them dey has a hair, no problem. So this woman, now you dey stupid. You say you don't move on with your life. Wait till come make you come dey rant again now for solo. Why you come dey rant? Why? You see even the so-called solo, me I don't even know the reason why he can still come out for Facebook dey rant. Say yes, I love my woman. You hear am saying, I love my woman. You hear am say. See now, your ex-baby mama now is not called dey mock you now. Come what disgwagwa you now. Say the one when he get for you too, you don't know where they take they eat. Now leo you bo own, now you they pay for where you pack all those people call they show us that for social media. You see now person where vomit, now you say make people see the kind food when he eat. Even though we no pa or we not beg any, na person wey vomit it to say you no come out that day after shine. Who say you not love your wife? Who say make you not love your wife, or who say you not love your wife? When you come out, when you know say your whole day your body, woman don't carry you come 2 times, you still abandon the woman with 2 children, you go marry another person. Now that person get problem now with a baby father. You can't come out again. You can't dey rant. So you see how she say egbe don't gas. You see how? So as shine they rant for Facebook, make everyone come carry a baby. You for there, they console shine. No be say you say we come out. Come they talk, they show paper. You hear and say. Now they say you not go school. They say you not sabi speak English. But I was there body because you know say you not go school, you not sabi speak English. Now you carry you come 2 times. You say you be hero. You be hero now. Man wey not go school, wey not sabi speak English. You carry am 2 times. You will fed the Europe. Not be you can be local babe. Now you can be local babe. Now you no can get sense. Because that first time when they take Baba and go back, he never even give you belle. Talk let's say okay, now because of the belle when I get for her, I don't want make I bought this pick me papa no did not carry I come the second time. No, you never get belle. Okro never come. Even when you still carry I come back the second time, you say na 4 years now I take 2 of una before Okro come. So now you be foolish person. Why they make this video now? Now people will go see this video. Where they this kind of stress now category. More not take out the lessons. More not take out the lessons. Now every time they talk May full years that brother. We don't say bad one. They bet the good one still there. No be among the good one, no be we sef for still get, we will get our own husband for us. If you say put your head down, you go still see good one. Than say you don suffer finish for here after many years, you go still carry your own money now go carry husband come for Nigeria. If you still reach here, then go zap. E go zap. People no know wetin dey. Na every time we dey preach our platform. So make I end this video here, my lady. If you see this video, make una share am. Make una share am, make e go reach their hand. Make e go reach that woman hand. When I Vivian behind, they say in the UK, make she shut up her mouth because she say disgrace to womanhood, whether na womanhood I wan call am. She say disgrace because first stone na mistake, second one no be mistake. Stone wey they say they come, no dey blind person eye. Your old papa tell you say road no dey there wey you wan carry first time. You because say na you be breadwinner. That's so many of us they do for Europe now. We will be saying that we be breadwinner, now we they make our papa and mama they eat. Anything our papa and mama they talk, go they pass here. Go they pass here, they come out. We know they listen. But we go forget saying that they carry bonus. That they be our papa. We suppose still listen small, so okay. And you don't listen to your father, fine, you made a mistake. You come still carry a corner where the guy come 1 month, 30 days. You go jogodo your friend. You go jogodo your friend or another person where you know. Gbege come. God just be remover for your life where they take carry and go back to Bongo. Now you see carry where they call am Ukoki, you see carry am back again. Now you call the rant for social media and say you not take care of your children. Now you do yourself. So make you shut up your mouth, eh? So make una share this video. Una wey dey this kind of position, e full everywhere. Make una see this video, make una take am learn. Make una learn lesson. Make una dey obedient. God go bring una for una. You understand? So you are also low. If in a true say you know they take care of those children because you call the rant that day for Facebook, you pack all the paper come and the woman say the paper now you both children own when you they pay. Now you bring come and say not be her own. So go they take care of your children. Go take care of those 2 children, Joy Francis Pikin, so that make this narrate make it finish for social media. Okay, now make I leave una here and I hear this video end. Make you subscribe and share, like. Follow me on my Instagram page, Mama V Trust TV. Follow me on my Facebook page, Mama V Trust TV. Okay, I leave you for here. Bye. You see me on my next video. Choose.